Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I am the store manager at Sew and Vac in Clarksville, Indiana. And I'm coming to talk to you about some really cool techniques for feathers. But before I do, I wanted to talk to you about next month. March is National Quilt Month, and so we're gonna have a bunch of fun deals going on. We're getting ready for Paducah, you guys. So if you guys don't know that, that's a big, huge quilt show that we sponsor. And so we have deals all the way till then. So if you are thinking about getting a machine, a Bernina, let us know. And we have special pricing for those already starting. Also with National Quilt Month, we have, for instance, we have 20% off fee in some accessories. So really good items. A lot of the Bernina accessories don't go on sale very much. So come get yours while our supplies last. And also we have some sit downs and other Bernina long arms that are going to be a huge sell. So come in. I'm going to show you some cool feather techniques on a whiteboard, but next week I'm going to show you on a sit down Bernina, so stay tuned, and I hope y'all love it. Thanks. Hello everyone. Alright, so I'm going to show you some tricks with doing some freehand motion and doing some feathers that you guys can maybe put into your quilting life. So I'm going to show you a couple things kind of get you by, just simplify things so you can start your quilting. So if everyone knows how to do, your little hearts, like when you were in grade school and different things like that, you can do it like hearts and think of it as like a heart, or you can even think of it like a C, like a cursive C or so, or extended C. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do your extended S. So if you go ahead and do your little S, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to come up and do your little heart, like so, and then you're going to come up through that stem, and then you're going to just come over and do a C, and do another C, and you're going to just want to keep on elongating that, make your feathers or your petals, and I can show you this on a sewing machine as well. I'm just going to show you on the whiteboard or for right now. You can just do your little C's. You can make them bigger, smaller, depending on the curve. See how I'm getting in that? Then you can do your little top, and then you can follow it all the way down. Some other things you can do is some people will do like an echo look and kind of echo outside of it. And if you're doing anything with a lot of batting, that makes it look really pronounced and big. So you can do like an echo look. Can I show you? So you can go around that, and I'll show you as well on a sit down of how easy it is to achieve it. So you can do something like that and make it echo, make it pop out to show your feather. Or you can even, let's say if these aren't as equal when you're getting to start it, and I'll show you on a machine, you can actually make it kind of almost compensate you coming over here and you're doing like little splits in between those feathers, and you can come in. That will make your stem a little dense, I will say that, but it will make that inner part really pop out. So you can even come over and do the little leaves on it. So you can do that method where it's the C method, or some people even do, the heart method, which, you can, draw your S and do your heart, do your heart, and then just keep on coming over and doing your heart. So it just depends on what you want to do. I personally like the C method, just because it gives that really big feather look to it when you do that C method. And some people, you can even kind of do your little curl, you know, every here and there. Come do like a little curl. So it just depends on what you want to do and what you want to achieve with your quilting. But it's super easy. If you guys have questions, you can reach out to me. I'm at the Clarksville store, and I can help you with your freehand motion. Let's say you're wanting to do like some meandering. Some people say, you know, it makes it a little bit more easier if you think like almost a puzzle piece. So if you think like a puzzle piece as being, you know, a circle, you know, and just don't touch each other. So like for instance, you can go over and just kind of do your little meandering back and forth and just make it act like you're doing a puzzle piece. So you can go ahead and do your little meandering. And that looks really good when you're doing it really small, you know, doing like a puncho look. If you need to stop, go ahead and stop, clip your threads, and start over if you get in a tight bind or so. But you can definitely do that, make it look really good, and so forth.